Hey friends, if you wish to print only selected pages or section print or odd even in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So click on File. Now select Print. Okay, now in this print, you will have an option to choose the pages. So one is to print all pages. The second one is to print the current page only, or you can custom print, and in this case you can select which all pages you want. For example, I may want pages 1 and 3, so I will add this with a comma. Or I can select other options as well. Okay, for example, I can select different styles, and I can select the option to print only odd pages, or I can select the option to print only even pages, or I can select the option to print something else. Okay, so this is what I can do. I can make a lot of customizations according to my requirements. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.